the air conditioners train York and Heil. Here is the fan at the abandoned daycare. This is abandoned. Abandoned. It was manufactured in 2003 or 2004. It's actually really crazy. It says special, so perfect. Sometimes I just think this is a piece of junk. Like Lasco. Lasco is garbage. That's what I think. Here's speed 1. It's actually really crazy. Almost as crazy as the Duracraft. And the motor is sheared off the motor shaft. I hate how they make things out of plastic. It's easier just to destroy, and it's not as durable, it's just cheaper. And they make it out of pretty bad chemicals. It also has oil in it, plus other bad chemicals. They're just materials poisoning the environment. Yeah, look at that logo. With the planet in the G, A, X, Y, else Galaxy. And then speed 2. Oh my gosh. And also, I just want to let you know that there's going to be an exciting event on this Friday, July 5th, 2019. My best friend and I are going to have a fan smash festival with my dad's last name. Today I don't have to go daycare at Grace Point, which is nice. Which I'm with my friend right now. The fan blades are still fine. The logo, just cause things are just now made out of plastic. Only the box is metal. Doesn't echo. And I did restore the Eskimo. This daycare was abandoned 2 years ago in 2017. And I remember when they still had this. It's now like a junkyard. All because of Galaxy. But it is from 2003 or 04. So it's not bad, it's just kind of loud and crazy. Yeah. 5 oval blades. Yeah. Galaxy. Though I found out Lasco is GE. But this Galaxy looks like the 2013-2014 Lasco box fan that another YouTuber around my age smashed. The squirrel is loose. Yeah. This fan is crazy. Just like the Durcraft. I think if I put the Eskimo blade inside of the Durcraft, I think it's gonna just destroy it. But this isn't as. It's kind of crazy. Also, like the Kenmore box fan, the 55 Kenmore. It was the Kenmore was manufactured in February of '55, as opposed to this one. It's crazy. The Kenmore was the craziest when I went to pick it up at the yard sale. The grill just fell off. That could get a restoration anytime soon. So, thank you for watching. This has been a Tan Fan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.